person. I believe, glory be to God, that Timothy probably felt a little bit worried. Am I going to be able to do what my mentor has done? Am I going to be able to give my last breath for Jesus? Am I going to be able to preach in the middle, glory be to God, of a society that is ruled at his time by Nero, where maybe I can be hung in his garden and set on fire to be a patio light? Or maybe I can be clothed with animal skins where hungry beasts, hungry lions will be set loose to come devour me? Am I going to be able to be like my mentor, who right now is encouraging me? Don't stop preaching. Preaching may cost you your life. Preaching may cost you your friends. Preaching may cost you a lot. But don't stop preaching, glory be to God. It may cost you, oh glory be to God, hallelujah. But in comparison to the eternity and the glory that awaits you, I'm telling you that the cost is not great. So I'm telling you to preach. And I'm telling you to preach when it's favorable and when it's unfavorable. I'm telling you to preach in persecution when there's no persecution. I'm telling you to preach, oh glory be to God, when there is no opposition. When there's great opposition to the gospel. Preach the gospel. Él le dice, gloria a Dios, soporta las aflicciones. Yo no te tapo que tú vas a sufrir. Yo estoy en la cárcel y yo no te tapo. Yo no te tapo, gloria a Dios, que vendrán momentos difíciles. Yo no te tapo, gloria a Dios, que vendrán hardships. Que vendrán, gloria a Dios, momentos de dificultad, gloria a Dios. Yo no te las tapo. Pero yo te digo con todo y eso, que tú seas un evangelista. Un evangelista es aquel, gloria a Dios, aleluya, que trae las buenas nuevas. Un evangelista es un heraldo del Nuevo Testamento, un heraldo de la salvación a través de Cristo. Eso era lo que ellos no querían escuchar en ese tiempo, y es lo que hoy día muchas personas no quieren escuchar. Gloria a Dios, aleluya. Even if we look at shows like Oprah, that's so popular. Oprah said not too long ago, some years back, that Jesus is not the only way to heaven. The president we have now, Obama, he said that once when he was being interviewed. I don't remember if it was Kate Kirk, I don't remember who was interviewing him. And he said that Jesus was a man that lived in a certain time, but that he's not the only way to heaven. The times are turning in our country. When our own president doesn't believe that Jesus is the way to heaven, the times are turning. And you have to make a decision. And I have to love you enough to tell you that you have to make a decision. You have to determine yourself